Okay, so we're going to try something totally new today. Totally new.
We are going to wash a bike that we've owned for over a year and have never cleaned once.
Yeah, so Vader's gotten pretty dirty and it's got a matte black paint job, right? So we were concerned, like, what can we use? What products can we use? And I've gone on a bunch of Goldwing forums and this was recommended to me. Chemical Guys. We're going to check them out Chemical Guys. We're going to check them out today. We'll let you know how the results are, all right? Cool. Hey, Mikey, what are we shopping for?
Cleaners and rags and sponges and things of that nature.
So, I know we're going to need... Oh, that's a cool mitt.
Ooh, fuzzy.
You know what? That's good.
I like that.
Right on.
Okay, one down.
And what else are we getting? Just some microfiber towels?
Yeah, this will work.
Beautiful. All right. Is that it?
Done and done.
Done and done? So after grabbing a few supplies from the local store, we were good to go. It's bath time. Okay, so what does this say here? This says we add... Words. Mix 1 capful of product with 1 gallon of water in clean wash bucket. Is said wash bucket clean?
Cleanish.
It's clean enough. I deem it clean enough. Okay, so we're going to just use 1
capful. Is that what it says?
That's what it says, 1 capful. Well, we thought these girls looked a little bit better than we do washing the bike, so here you go. Can't forget the highway pegs, right? Nope.
She's a clean
mean machine.
Yeah.
Get your old bucket out of the way.
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
Now it was time to give the matte detailer spray sealant a try.
There we go.
All right. You know, probably a little goes a long way, babe.
Maybe a long way goes a long. Never mind. Ooh, look at that.
Wow, nice. Look at that. Okay, so this gives good finish. A nice little sealant. Yeah, I think a little goes a long way, babe.
Yeah, maybe it does. Evaporates.
There it goes. Like magic, it disappears. Beautiful. 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 Well, I'm going to have to give this an A+. You know, if we're going to talk about the rage gauge, you know, our infamous rage gauge, where we measure how much products and accessories don't work, how they frustrate us, etc.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Like in golf, what happens?
Low score rules. Lower
score rules. So, yeah, this is what do you think? A -10 on the rage gauge, right?
Okay.
Well, I just think it works really well.
It does.
Yeah, there's no anger here whatsoever. Happy. Look at this. Look at that finish. Oh my gosh. I could cry. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, it hasn't looked this nice ever.
My goodness. Wow, Mike, I got to tell you, Chemical Guys, I'm a new chemical convert because this stuff is amazing, right? I've been looking so long to find something that's going to work and, you know, work on both finishes on this bike. And this does the trick, you guys. This is Chemical Brothers.
Oh my God, did I just say Chemical Brothers?
Back with another one of those block rocking beats.
This is their matte detailer spray sealant. Chemical Guys. Not to be confused with the techno duo.
That's great. Yeah, that's great.
So yeah, why did it take so long before we decided to give this bike a bath? It took so long because we didn't trust, the finish of this, particular bike with just any cleaning product.
Right. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, try Chemical Guys, you guys. You'll love it.
We do.
We do.